This video will demonstrate how to use AmCAD-UB, a breast ultrasound AI software. To begin, select AmCAD-UB for breast scan. Start a new scan, enter the patient's information, and wait for the software to complete loading the AI algorithm. Once it's ready, you may begin the examination. During the scan, examine the breast systematically using either radial patterns or overlapping vertical and horizontal sections. AmCAD-UB provides real-time AI assistance, automatically detecting and outlining breast lesions during scanning. The software uses a color coding system based on BI-RADS categories. Green indicates BI-RADS 3 for benign findings, while hot pink represents BI-RADS 5 for findings highly suggestive of malignancy. When a suspicious finding is identified, freeze the image. Document the location and save representative images. AmCAD-UB can detect multiple lesions simultaneously during scanning. Select Go to Reporting for AI analysis of lesion characteristics. The AI analysis tool will automatically outline detected lesions and provide comprehensive BI-RADS descriptors including size measurements and other sonographic characteristics. You can modify these descriptors if needed. To create a report, select the relevant images. For lesions captured in multiple views such as vertical and horizontal sections, use the Merge Image function before clicking the Generate Report icon. AmCAD-UB offers both structured and standard reporting formats. The report includes BI-RADS categories, detailed descriptions for each lesion, and estimated malignancy risk assessments to support clinical consultation.